Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Disha Singh. I am the coordinator for Smart India Hackathon 2018. First of all, let me thank you all for becoming a part of the evaluation team. We greatly appreciate it. Today, I would like to take you through the evaluation process so you can get started with the review of ideas. How to evaluate the submissions? First of all, you will log into our web portal, which is i4c.co.in. You will be provided the login credentials for the same, and that will be a separate email that will be coming to you. Once you receive it, and you of course go on to our web portal, on the top right corner you will see an option to log in. Please log in with the username and password that is provided to you. After login, you will automatically land on the jury review page. Go on to the view allocated ideas that is given there on the right hand side. Click on that and you will see the list of ideas that have been allocated for your review. To get started with the review of an idea, all you have to do is click on the title of the idea. You will be taken to the idea page. There you will view the name of the idea, which is given in orange at the top, followed by the name of the ministry right below it. Also, you will be given the problem statement title and the description. This is the information, or this is the problem that has been given by the ministry, and we are looking for solutions for this specific problem statement. On the same page, you can also view the idea summary that has been given by the team, and there will be one PDF attached which is titled Solution Document. This will contain the specific solution suggested for the problem statement. The expected format of this document is given in the following 2 slides. This is the PPT that will be submitted by the teams. It will include the description of the idea, the technology stack, etc. So, we have just provided a format for you to get an idea of the PPT that will be submitted. The jury review process. This is very important and I request you all to pay close attention to this. Once you select the idea and you scroll down, you will see jury review score. This is a screenshot from the web portal itself. You have to rate the ideas on the following criteria. So, the first part is novelty. You want to make sure that idea that is being submitted is original. It has not been copied from anywhere. So you would rate it on the basis of its creativity. It does not have to be a complex idea, just it can be simple, to the point, answering the problem that has been posed by the ministry. So you will be rating the novelty. Again, the scoring is from 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest. So you have an option of selecting any of that based on your decision. Following that, you will go to the appropriateness. Does the idea fit the problem? Is it relevant? So, you have to see or judge it based on the problem statement. Is it meeting the criteria? Is it actually solving the problem that has been provided? So, you have to rate it for appropriateness. Moving on, you will go to the technical feasibility. Is it possible to have a working prototype in 36 hours of the hackathon? So, this is what you will be judging here. So, again, any score from 1 to 5, 1 being lowest and 5 is highest. So, the next point is impact. We have to see if the users, in this case it will be the ministry or the department or state government, if they will benefit from this solution based on the problem that they have posed. You may now judge the idea under overall review. Here you have 4 options. One is strong accept, which basically is that the idea is very impactful and should definitely move on to the next level. The next option is accept, that the idea is good and can be considered for the next level. Borderline is the idea is relevant but it lacks key expectations. And last is reject, that the idea does not meet any criteria at all and should not move ahead in this competition. Finally, you have to just share a brief justification for your rating, which should not be more than 500 characters, and this will come under the comments section. Once you're done with this, you can click on submit button. You will receive a message which says your response has been recorded. Thank you for your reviewing the idea. Once you see this message, you click on Back to Allocated Ideas button to go back to the main idea allocation page. Once you go back to the main page, you will be able to view the average score for the idea that you rated here. And please note, you can change or you can go back to your to reviewing the idea at any point, and if you think that there is a need to change the rating for any reason, you can click and make those changes. Once again, make sure that every time you go back to review the idea, you do click on Submit Scores to capture your scoring. Once this is done, you can move on to the next idea. With this, we come to the end of this review of the evaluation process. It is quite straightforward. We will be sending you this presentation along with our contact number, so in case you have any queries, you can get in touch with us directly. The review of ideas should start immediately as soon as you receive your login credentials. So we look forward to your active participation, and thank you so much again for being a part of Smart India Hackathon 2018.